अच्छा कोई बात नहीं बोल.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how sexology and cosmetology can work together. So first of all, the cosmetology is also very important as far as we know. The looks are very important. So to increase the desire in your opposite sex, if the person looks good, if the person look more good, like everyone is beautiful in as their own, but the thing is, if you look more good, you will if the person take an example of a man, so they are having a baldness is there, so the person is not getting get too much confidence that he might not get good like a person like no one loves him. So अगर वो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करवा लेते हैं तो if you so you will get a confidence that you will get a person like you will get a girl, like get a woman, so they can marry or can date. So in that case, so you get a confidence, so the sexual part also increases because you get the confidence that the anxiety, the performance anxiety also gone. So the sexual part and the cosmetology, they also work together. Like doctor also explained very well. So there is also this thing also happen in the female as well. Like female are having some kind of facial skin conditions going on. They are having some dark circles, so they also their confidence gets low, so that they will feel like they are like every other girl is very beautiful. They always have a tendency to compare themselves. So if they are feeling inside that they are not beautiful as well they are, but they after getting a treatment, like any kind of a treatment, like any facial treatment, like facelifting, there are so many things are going on, like hydra facial is there, so many preparations there, like facial dermapen is there, so to get a glow, so they will feel good. So in that case they also get a desire, the opposite sex also get a desire from that. So the sexology part, if we talk about the sexology part, is very important nowadays. Like 15 years back, people are not easily talk about this. Like there is a taboo in India. Like couples को problem है, लेकिन they never talk about. But nowadays the couple are coming and they are talking about this thing like very easily, like freely. इनको problem क्या है, the man is getting this kind of problem, female is having low sexual desire. So we should address that first of all, because now previously the doctor doesn't have that kind of a knowledge. वो आते थे तो उनको लगता था कि अभी क्या करना है, तो कुछ नहीं, वो प्लेसिबो दे दिया तो काम किया तो ठीक, नहीं तो नहीं. अभी क्या है कि वी हैव अ राइट काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज बिकॉज ऑफ आवर डॉक्टर, ही टॉट अस वेरी वेल. So we know that what kind of medication, drugs and therapies and counseling therapies we can do, we can give them so that they get a better treatment option nowadays, now in advanced settings. Also there is a new techniques are there, like like the software therapy for the male, like a penis for to increase the penis blood flow, and there is also plasma therapy, like plasmatic therapy. So there are different kind of techniques now available. So yeah, that's it from my side.
Okay, very good, very nice.